Did you reset your Apple Watch only to find yourself stuck on the Locked to Owner screen? If so, you're definitely not the only one. It can be confusing, especially if you expected the watch to be ready to use after a factory reset. The reason this happens is because of activation lock. This security feature is linked to the Apple ID that was previously connected to the watch. Even after erasing the device, Apple may still require that account's credentials before setup can continue. The good news is that there are several legitimate solutions, depending on your situation. Welcome back to IBF Tools. In this video, I'll explain the most practical and official methods that may help you restore access to your Apple Watch. Some options are quick, while others depend on whether you still have access to the original Apple ID or the previous owner. Now, let's look at the available solutions. Before we begin, here's an important reminder. This guide is intended only for people who legally own the device or have permission to manage it. Apple's security features exist to protect users and should always be respected. Method 1. Remove the watch from your Apple account. If the Apple Watch belongs to you and is still connected to your Apple account, the easiest solution is to remove it correctly. Open the Watch app on your paired iPhone. Select All Watches, tap the information button next to your watch, and choose Unpair Apple Watch. Apple will ask you to confirm your Apple ID password. After the process finishes, activation lock is removed automatically. If the watch has already been erased without unpairing it first, you can still remove it by opening the Find My app or signing into your Apple account online and removing the watch from your list of devices. Method 2. Contact the previous owner. If you purchase the Apple Watch from someone else, this step is often required. Only the Apple ID currently associated with the watch can disable activation lock. The previous owner simply needs to sign into their Apple account, locate the Apple Watch in their device list, and remove it from their account. Method 3. Reset your Apple ID password. Sometimes the watch is linked to your own account. You just can't remember the password. In that case, use Apple's official password recovery service to verify your identity and create a new password. After your account has been recovered, sign in again during setup and continue activating the watch normally. Method 4. Reach out to Apple support. If you have proof that you legally own the Apple Watch, Apple support may be able to help. Documents such as the original purchase receipt or other ownership records may be required. After reviewing your information, Apple will let you know whether they can assist with removing the activation lock. Method 5. IBF Tool. IBF Tool provides a structured workflow designed to simplify the recovery process for eligible users. Download and install IBF Tool, then pair your Apple Watch to your iPhone and connect it to your computer. Launch the IBF Tool and select your device type and the iOS version. Then click the Right button. When it's done, you can set up your Apple Watch like brand new. No Apple ID, no password required. Congratulations! IBF Tool is available for both Windows and Mac OS, and also supports compatible iPhone and iPad models. Its purpose is to make the recovery process easier for legitimate users who are trying to regain access to their own devices. Those are some of the most common ways to resolve an Apple Watch that displays Locked to Owner. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment sharing which solution worked for you. If you need additional assistance, you'll find our contact information in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.